friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. At Chinese family dinners, my father often orders honey garlic spare ribs, mainly because my dad thinks my husband has subtle Asian tastes. In other words, he likes American Chinese food. What's funny is my husband actually never had this dish until then. And now he's a huge fan of honey garlic spare ribs. There's something about that sticky sweetness together with the contrast of the saltiness that always has him coming back for more. So today we're going to be air frying the pork, which is different from the wok frying that Chinese restaurants normally use to cook this dish. But I prefer air frying this dish since I can use a lot less oil and spend time working on other parts of the dinner. Okay, let's get started. Start by making 2 cups of rice, whichever way you normally make your rice. I'll be making mine in a stainless steel pot. Then mince 9 cloves of garlic and separate it into 3 equal portions. In a medium-sized bowl, take the first portion of minced garlic and combine it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then add 2 to 2.5 pounds of pork side rib to the marinade and set it aside for half an hour. Combine 1/4 cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of salt, then set aside. Then make the sauce by combining the remaining garlic with 1/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of water, and a pinch of salt. When the pork is done marinating, dredge each piece in the flour mixture and then coat each piece with oil. Transfer the pieces to the basket of your air fryer. Make sure there's space around each piece. Repeat until you have no more ribs or no more space, whichever comes first. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit and let it air fry for 15 minutes. Continue this process until all of your pieces of spare rib are done. When the pork is done being air fried, heat up your wok on high heat. Pour the sauce onto the pan and turn the heat to medium-low. Let the sauce reduce. About 5 to 7 minutes. It'll be ready when it changes to a caramel color and looks shiny. Transfer the pork to your thickened sauce and quickly toss about 30 to 40 seconds. Make sure all the pieces are coated with sauce. Then transfer to a serving dish. And here it is, friends. So the pork should be crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside and dripping with sticky sweet sauce. You're going to want to eat this sauce over rice so that you can mop up every last bit of it. Thank you again for joining me today. If you enjoyed my video, please click the like button and consider subscribing for more food ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!